Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my watch list for the week. Today is December 7th. It's a Sunday. Trading starts tomorrow, December 8th. So here's just a couple of stocks I will be paying close attention to in this week's trading session on the NGX. The NGX is Nigerian equities market. I'd like to thank everyone who's taken out the time to like, to share, to subscribe content across all green ticker platforms. A special thank you as well and welcome to everyone who's joined the channel in the last couple of days. I greatly appreciate you for doing so. But as much as you find this, I believe I can say in all humility, you will find this platform content and this channel across all critical channels heavily educative. Please note that nothing is investment or trading or personal finance advice here. Please do your own research. Criteria for the watch list simple: highs, lows, range trading, large volumes, corporate actions. Corporate actions are any announcements made by a firm, any announcement at all. FCMB is first on my watch list. FCMB Group, by the way, FCMB Group 9 month 2025 results came out on Friday, I believe, after trading hours, and 9 months meaning results for January to September 2025. It's a busy week for the firm. EGM holding on Monday, extraordinary general meeting holding on Monday, and then you have an earnings call scheduled for this week, Tuesday. So it's a busy week for FCMB. I'll be paying close attention to this stock. I wonder how the markets will react to the numbers. I've done my video on the numbers. You could go check out the video. Maybe I'll drop the link somewhere in the description for this video. UACN closed at 96 naira 80 kobo. UACN is heavily on my radar. I mean, for two reasons. First is the normal trading reasons. Close to 100 naira. 100 naira is a key point from a trading perspective. It's a round figure, but it's a key point from a psychological perspective. And then it's also close to my short-term target price, which is 110. So it's just under about 14 naira or so, just around 14 naira or so away from my short-term target price of 110. Whichever way it is, I will be paying close attention to this stock. Is it going to range trade? Is it going to pull back a bit? I did a video on this in one of the pre-market videos. I went into my thesis for why at that point in time I thought this stock would 3x. You can find it on the channel as well on YouTube. Guinness Nigeria closed at 198, 2 naira away from 200 naira a share. That's a key point from a trading perspective. I have Dirty December video on brewery stocks coming up in a bit. I'm still not decided. Maybe I should have it out tomorrow. Maybe out um on Saturday next week. You let me know. Let me know. Audience, let me know. You want the video out tomorrow or you want the video out on Saturday? But I'll be paying close attention to this stock. It just had a pop a couple of days ago. I don't know why it's popped, but it's good that it popped. It's kind of been sluggish for a while. So I'll be paying close attention to the stock. NCR Nigeria, this is one of the hottest stocks for on the NGX for 2025. Closed at a fresh 52-week high of 72 naira 70 kobo. I mean, I get why it's hot, recovering the fundamentals on the earnings and all that, but it's not liquid. It's a bit pricey. I think it's trading at probably over 20 times earnings last I checked. At this price point, I think profit taking at some point in time would have to occur or should occur, and I suspect a couple of people are going to be trapped in this stock because it's not liquid. So if you bought big volumes and you need to exit, you have to. It's going to take you a while to exit, but it's done people well. The stock has done what over, I think it's over 900% increase this year. So let's see how it will perform in this week's trading session. Pharmadeko out of the blues. In fact, I didn't know this stock was still listed on the NGX. Out of the blues, Pharmadeko dropped FY 2022 results last week. The week, I think it dropped on Friday. We could have more results, outstanding results drop this week. And beyond that, what we usually see is once companies come off a suspension after they've dropped the results, met all the requirements by the NGX and regulators, you see the price run a bit. So I'll be paying close attention to this stock this week. Let's see if they can drop how much progress they can make in filing the other outstanding results. And who knows, if they file everything this week or maybe during this coming week and the upper week from now, maybe trading would start soon. For more content, you can check out greenticketdeals.com. I think the most recent article I wrote was on FCMB group 9-month 2025 numbers. You have the podcasts on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music. Now you may have your favorite platforms. I'd say try and check other social media platforms once in a while. We're going to be expanding things a bit. I'll talk more about that in the coming days. But sometimes you may have some content exclusive to some social media platforms and all that, especially when it comes to Spotify and everywhere else audio. But thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you sometime tomorrow, maybe by midday, with the first midday update for the week. Have yourselves a profitable trading week ahead. As always, stay safe.